Fresh into stock at Guaranteed Motors. Beautiful Mark 6 Golf GTD. Black diamond cut 18-inch alloys. All in beautiful condition with a full service history. We've got a very nice spec inside as well, including folding door mirrors, the Kenwood Volkswagen upgrade, which also has a full interaction with climate control, heated seats, and it's the DSG sports automatic gearbox. Just 77,000 miles on the clock. Auto lights and wipers. Chromatic rear view mirror, and as with all GTDs, the dark style roof lining. So the main points being DSG, heated leather, and the power fold mirrors, which are not standard. It has privacy glass to the rear, front and rear parking sensors, nice sized boot with the Golf, and a proper spare wheel. Twin chromed exhausts, and as you can see, been exceptionally well looked after. It's the best car in the Golf fleet, in my opinion. Call Guaranteed Motors today.